Kangoli kona kereko teso kwana inera no Aseo na Serere County. Erionget lo Aseo nesdeli ebe ekota Aseo na ibonga kwa pkere oraona mamebuni amumu alomaritoma. Simon Biabakama nesapolo Kinton Erionget lo Aseo.
Elections are meant to be a peaceful, harmonious process. It is a matter of whose views, whose ideas, whose programs do we agree with. Even if you don't agree with candidate X, please wait and exact your revenge on polling day at the polling station by not voting for that candidate. But don't disrupt his or her rallies. Don't attack his or her supporters. No, that will not earn your candidate any votes.
Abuda ichora kilu ikilasi ya bolobo la isacha kwa nalo mara kironu wajana kinto mu fundraising arebonati hajana kinagangata kechitu mu kanisa no somero na arebonento mosque kobalebe epote aichake munekorin.
No more donations to churches, to mosques, to what? No more. After tomorrow, you can resume on 24th. I don't know when you have lost whether you have the energy.
Kotupitete inonolo ijenioni loda abuaka alostenepeka ikorobe lo amoto kanapara na iwadikaun. Biabakama nesabu iteje na ebe kangoli buane chamakinta ya losite aiwadikaun nepeka itungitomon ido kerete kamoto kanumede paretare.
We know people want to show I have support. Have you seen the convoy behind me? Thousands. Let's move from one campaign venue to another to show them, to shake Serere and say, this is our woman, this is our man. No. Because these roads on which you are massing these people are used by people who are also not participating in elections. The campaigns are supposed to be conducted at the designated venue, a particular spot, not on the roads.
Iche kalwali moros aboloboli moriarto sali salaso na upate loka Alliance for National Transformation nesabale be ipote kesi ailipegangi toko kecha itupi kisela konye lipita laso lo ayo warada ayaite kesi erian
po ituske dalu ipuda saibuo kere mameido pen mamerika papero iri amaini seratu nanar dodo kwana mo ya Aseo aina kinsa ishari dodo so biya ate mamso kerilo saraunu aboy Kinton lo buku Serere so akaili panges ngin neja saseak mameja Aseo buak mameja lu ayuara ebe inaksi Serere Aseo na ijoko.
Filipo Ucholo edakte mendera lwa NRM ni sabala ebe joka Aitolot Aseo na eja ena pakina toma
idola twan amena akirono aina pakina sakoto ngitunga kere luilipete aseta neja situnga araibolu ego itos araibo agents achamu tubonde Aseo ejaun yedo petweni bonere tubi idolu chekere mametubete konyo ni kere arai tubi arai mami tubi isala ino ni jai Serere adumutai napakina emoriki kinos amena nara
chairman lo upate lo NRM Dr. Tanga Odoi Ethiopia kangun lo adjust mauriante na nesabu iteje na ebe tomokisela kichelo NRM Filipo Ucho nesbere dakte mendera lo NRM.
So I don't want to be part of a mix-up in a funeral. I want us to have dialogue. If we sit and we find an alternative, so be it. But it should be dialogue, respect for opinion, and respect for each and everybody, including the current flag bearer.
Koto mauriane tikangen poniko doda swamane diopelo apugan Captain Wilbrode Chodu loda ya itakronu amagoron kwape loelo si tinte mudu idoda itosomai emotokalo apugan akiro no abwe Chodu imwa elwanatanoi
apake onabuna kwere mudu abuniengo nara ajainga swam so mambo bangati tiburungu nara da bungo campaign ibujo campaign ajala kini aswamu ya mambo bongo adanga ai hanin ka opisida so ye mudu ina kwana jaingo ne munlo ba tinge mudu itende ngati nara I was so right but kwana buya campaign ajala kingi mudu adanga ai lepuno ai yenga na campaign na mambo ngati mudu
isera kiseloseta kalaya kaisera nuni wala palo yared kano Abrokin a member la parliament loda ibuna Brokin Bishop Patrick Okabe lo abotwana kutomakanga sina motoka ukaro alwa tubor Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Serere.